Coming live from Minnesota with the JW Solar USA. Guys, it has been a while. I didn't bring you guys a video updates. What's going on here? Well, I was sitting here contemplating. I don't even know. I have a big decision I have to make. But I think I'm going to make this decision by myself. I want you guys to help me out what you guys think. Any suggestion or opinion will be great, because the problem I'm having here, decision making now, because my board is full, and due to that I have to connect my MEARTR, the MagnaSign remote, advanced remote. Well, that's the problem now. That's why I can't even parallel this stuff right now, because where am I supposed to put this device at this point? Right there, up there. So I think the only space I have, because this thing is so huge, and I'm thinking about, it's kind of tough to make the call. But like I said the last time, I was gonna try and utilize these holes right here. And guys, if I take this thing right here, it will be a good candidate. I'm not gonna be able to, I just have to lift this thing a little bit up like this, higher, and screw the bottom holes right there. It's not gonna go anywhere. But this is how it looks like behind. Okay? And it's a tough calling. I can able to take these front plates here by removing these 4 screws on the sides where my hand is right here on the corner, and I can screw this plate in and put back this guy in, so I can have a real grip on the back. But I'm trying to do this and utilize this hole, so all the communication wires gotta go on the back of that hole and comes all the way down to the machine, or maybe you're trying to use a knockout underneath there, and so that I can get the communication. But guys, I'm out of space, to be honest with you. I don't know what to do, and this is the call right now. That is something that I can't even go further, and I cannot come all the way on the corner if I decided to do that, and the art back is gonna suffer because of all the other equipment there. I'm thinking about, if I do that, the MEARTR will be down there, and the wire is gonna go inside from one panel here to the other. So I gotta do a knockout here, which I don't wanna be doing this, because I'm gonna end up having some holes into that. But this is where you can able to add another charge controller, like I did here with or I've done there with this guy right here. So mount a charge controller, but there is no way I can add another charge controller to this device, because I'm packed. I'm really stuffed up. Or I'm really jammed up. So this is the problem. I can't go extended here. And I was thinking about probably have this guy on this side right here, and I don't know if it's gonna work out that way. It's gonna be a far away connecting to the other device. This Magnum is gonna come in there as this is the master, and that's gonna be the slave, or either one. And all these guys supposed to be plugged in here. There's a remote that's supposed to control it and do the stacking of this bad boy. But because of that, I'm really confused where I'm gonna have this thing, where I'm gonna put this thing. I don't want to go too far, because it's gonna, the wires, they're not that long. So unless if I have to order something longer, but the ones that already came with the system, I want to just utilize them. I don't want to spend all the extra money foolishly or lavishly. I don't want to do that. But if I have to do that, I have to. But there is no room at all. So I don't know. I can able to take this panel out. But I'm trying to figure out if you would have fit in here, I can put it right there. Okay, I can put it right there, but I can't, because my trouble is I end up having two of these load center. This is the problem, because I don't have the dual system is designed. You can able to put this one there. So because of that, that's all the complications already started. So I don't know what to do. So you probably, your advice, or probably one of you guys, your expertise will help, since I'm confused right now. I want to really finish up these and trying to get everything with the Artback and get to, you know, scramble with all the devices here for the Artback. I don't want to put all the stuff for the Artback up there. So it's going to look like probably they're part of this, or part of this unit here. I want to keep all the Artback product on one side. Okay, I just mounted those one temporarily and see how it is. But I don't mind having the Artback, the remote, the hub up there. But I just want everything to be organized, to be on their own spot. You know, nobody is fighting with nobody. And when you look at Magnum, it's going to be all Magnum. We look at Artback, all that stuff going to be there. But the command center is full. I don't have room for that anymore. So tell me what you guys think. Let me give you a good view here and see what you guys can suggest. And I'm going to be, I'll appreciate you guys' comment and positive comments. Then, before I can able to go further and put this stuff where it's supposed to be, where you guys think it was. So whosoever come up with the best idea, you tell me where, then you're gonna be the shout out guy. I'm gonna give you a shout out for all the good ideas, the decision you guys have made an impact to that little device that left for me to put up. Or else, I don't know. And I don't want to do, I'll probably can able to say I do an extension here, a board. Extension here, screw it. And come extension board so that these guys can fit right in there. And just to flush, like a plywood, to flush exactly with that thing screw right there, and do a plywood and stick it right there. And maybe that'll cover up this gap right here, so they will stay there, just like this Magnum is hanging halfway here and hanging the other side. So tell me what you think, and thanks for watching, and love you guys all. That guy right there is the problem right now for me. I don't know what to do. Thank you. Love you guys all. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA in Minnesota.